Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm Muphidaht and I'd like it if you click down below to subscribe to my channel. So today I'm giving you this makeup tutorial. It's this olive green eye look and really good base and ombre lips. If you want to see how I achieve this look, carry on watching and I'll see you guys at the end of this video. Go straight into priming the lips or moisturizing the lips. I'm using the Kikayi clear lip gloss. I'm just going to put that all over my hella dry lips because Ramadan. And I'm just gonna go straight into priming my face. I'm using the Embryolisse moisturizer. This moisturizer is amazing for dry skin and even much more amazing for oily skin. I'm just gonna put that all over my face and I'm gonna go and set my entire face with the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. Just gonna go ahead and push that into my skin to take away any shine because I do not want to end up looking like a grease ball. I'm using a damp beauty blender, by the way, and I'm gonna go straight into the Maybelline Fits Me Matte Poreless Foundation. I'm using the shade 340 and I am applying it onto my face with the Evita Joseph concealer brush. Just apply the foundation on my face before I go in and blend it out. And blending it out, I'm using the CVL Beauty foundation brush. I'm gonna go in with a little more foundation to cover up the spots where the foundation I put on earlier missed, and I'm just blending it out with the same brush. Now I'm going into color correct with the LA Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. I'm just concealing my dark under eyes and my mustache area, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out with the Kabuki brush from BH Cosmetics. This brush is like really beat up and it's still amazing. I really love it. Now I'm going back in with a beauty blender to blend out the concealer some more because I don't want any harsh lines and I don't want any concealer settling in the lines on my face. So using a beauty blender really helps out to blend everything out. Okay, so I'm going back in with a CoverGirl concealer. This is the CoverGirl True Blend Concealer. I'm just gonna put that underneath my eyes and the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my mustache area, and my chin. This is my highlights concealer, which is why it is about 3 shades lighter than my actual skin tone. This is going to help highlight the areas where I usually highlight. And I'm going in with the Black Opal Stick Foundation. I'm using that to contour my face. I am going over the perimeter of my face and the hollows of my cheeks. Now I'm going to blend out the concealer with the Kabuki brush I used earlier. Now I'm blending out the concealer before my contour. Usually I blend out my contour before my concealer, but I don't know how this concealer dries down because this is my second time using it. I'm still getting familiar with it, and once I know how it works, I'll figure out if I want to blend it out first or not. So yeah, I'm just blending it out with the brush. Blending out with a brush gives so much coverage, guys. You should try it out. Now to blend out my contour, I'm going in with a Real Techniques brush to buff out the contour product on my face. This brush is really amazing and I don't regret getting it ever. If you want to see a detailed contour and highlight video, I would link that above here so you guys can see it. And if you want to see a detailed foundation routine, I would also link that above so you guys can see that, so that you can get like a detailed explanation of whatever I'm doing on my face. Now I'm going back in with a beauty blender to give me some more blending and also to take off any excess products on my face. Now I'm going back into the contour products I used earlier, and I'm just contouring my nose, and I'm just gonna blend that out as well. Here's a hack to get out all your setting powder to the top part of the container. You should shake it. Anyways, I'm just setting my highlights with the Sasha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm just setting it with the beauty blender underneath my eyes. And for the rest of my face, I'm gonna be using the setting brush from Real Techniques. This is to give me like an airbrush effect. You should try it out. Again, if you want to see a detailed foundation routine, I would link it above or below in the description box. And now I'm just setting my nose highlights with a precision brush from Eid Joseph. Going back into my brows, I'm just setting that area so any products I put on there wouldn't slip off. And I'm brushing out my sparse brow hairs, and I'm just going to fill them out with the Eid Joseph Expert Brow Liner and Revolution Duo Brow products, or Duo Brow Pencil. I don't remember what it's called, but yeah, it's from Revolution, and it's a really dope product. If you guys want to see a detailed brow routine, I would link it above and below in the description box as well. I'm just going to sculpt out my brows with the LA Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, and I'm just using a synthetic flat brush to do that. I'm just going to go above my brows as well. I find that doing my brows after my foundation really helps out a lot, so I am sticking to this routine. Now I'm just bringing down the concealer onto my eyelid and just buffing it out with the Real Techniques buffing brush, just to prime my eyelids just before going into the eye makeup. Now I'm using the 39A palette from Morphe, and I'm going in with that burnt orange shade, and I'm just putting that into my crease and kind of winging it out. I'm blending it out with the Eid Joseph crease precision blending brush, or deluxe blending brush, I think that's what it's called. And I'm gonna go in with the Benai Clown White to prime all over the center of my lid to make the color I'm gonna put up there pop. So I'm just putting it in on my eyelid with a synthetic flat brush, blending it out with my fingers to make sure that it maintains its sticky consistency. Now I'm gonna go in with that olive green shade right there, and I'm gonna put that all over the center of my lid with a flat synthetic brush from AOA Cosmetics. And I'm gonna go in to a golden shade, which kind of looks olive as well, but it's more golden than olive. And I'm just gonna put that in the beginning or the inner corner of my eyes to kind of, you know, give it like a transitional look. And also going in with those two dark brown shades, I'm putting that out at the outer V to smoke out the look. And I'm going in with that matte black shade to kind of smoke out my lash line to give me a winged effect. This is not very precise, but it's just to give my eyelashes a place to land. Now I'm smoking out my lower lash line. As you can see, I went in with some black eyeliner, and I'm going in with that gold shade I used earlier, and I'm putting that into my inner corner. Now I'm gonna, you know, set the contour on my face. I'm using the BH Cosmetics contour palette. I'm just going over the perimeter of my face, and now I am brushing off the excess setting powder from my face, and I'm going in with that bright yellow shade from the BH Cosmetics contour palette. I'm putting that underneath my eyes and wherever else I highlighted to give me some sort of brightness, to bring a brightness back into my face. Now I'm doing the reverse contour to kind of, you know, snatch my face some more. I'm going straight ahead to set my entire face with the NYX matte setting spray, and I am drying that off with the fan. Now I'm also going to highlight my face with the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. I'm just putting it on my brow bone, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and my cupid's bow, as well as my cheekbones. Now I'm going really light-handed with the cheekbone highlights because I don't want my face to look like a disco ball. I just want it to be really subtle because the attention I want is to be on my eye makeup. Now I'm going to contour my lips with the liquid lipstick from Colourpop in the shade Embellish. I want my lips to look really contoured. You can also use a really dark lip liner, but I prefer to use a liquid lipstick, and I'm gonna go in with the matte nude lipstick. I'm just putting that in the center of my lip, and I'm just, you know, smacking my lips because I don't want to blend it all the way out. And I'm going to put the clear lip gloss we used earlier. I'm just going to put that all over my lips. This lip gloss is from Kikai Cosmetics, just to give me a little glossy look. Now this is the final look. As you can see, I'm setting my face the second time, and I'm just gonna fix my hijab, and I'm gonna be right back to do the slow motion so you guys can see how good this makeup looks. So much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you learned something. Click on the links down below to follow me on my social media accounts. Once again, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you clicked on the thumbs up down below. It really helps me out a lot. And also subscribe if you haven't. I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Eid Mubarak. Bye guys.